Hey there, MindWave community. I'm Maria. Today's video is all about boosting your Excel productivity and Word. Stick around for the entire video because you do not want to miss any of these tools the next time you're working with Excel or Word document.
These AI add-ins are designed to simplify complex tasks, making your work more efficient. You imagine transforming your productivity with intelligent assistants just a click away. Let's explore the best AI add-ins to supercharge your documents and spreadsheets. Get ready to unlock new levels of efficiency and impact in your work. First up, let's transform your Excel data with Power BI. This add-in connects Excel to advanced AI-powered visualizations and dashboards. Convert rows of numbers into compelling charts and graphs with a few clicks. Power BI democratizes business intelligence, making complex analysis accessible. Refresh visuals directly from Excel, ensuring your reports are always up to date. Next is SheetAI, bringing GPT-like functions to Excel. Generate complex formulas from plain English descriptions effortlessly. SheetAI can summarize tables, write descriptions, and generate creative text. Imagine auto-generating marketing descriptions or summarizing customer feedback. This AI assistant is embedded in your worksheet, boosting productivity. No need to switch apps. Enjoy a smooth, efficient workflow. SheetAI transforms how you interact with spreadsheets, making tasks easier. Let's explore lucid chart diagrams for visualizing Excel data. Create professional diagrams like flowcharts and org charts easily. Lucid Charts AI recognizes structure and suggests visual layouts. Transform data into engaging diagrams, improving communication. Link diagrams to Excel data for dynamic, up-to-date visuals. Now, let's talk about Grammarly for Word. This add-in offers AI-based writing assistance directly in Word. Beyond grammar, it enhances clarity, structure, and engagement. Get real-time feedback and improve your writing skills efficiently. Grammarly acts as an AI writing coach, elevating your communication. Meet Pro Writing Aid for Word, your personal AI editor. It provides comprehensive feedback on stylistic elements, analyze style consistency, sentence variety, and readability. Pro Writing Aid transforms good writing into great writing. It's an invaluable asset for honing your writing craft. Introducing Ghostwriter by WriteSonic for Word. This add-in brings ChatGPT-like capabilities to your documents. Overcome writer's block and generate content effortlessly. Ghostwriter enhances creativity and speeds up content creation. It's a suite of AI-powered tools for better, faster writing. So, bonus tip, browse intelligently. Explore the add-in store for more AI tools to boost productivity. These add-ins are like smart coworkers in Excel and Word. Access most for free or through Microsoft 365. They empower you to achieve more with less effort. All right, that's all for now. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more AI tips. Comment your favorite add-in or suggest new topics. Share this video to help others work smarter with AI.